How to buy the Dogecoin on Binance application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to buy the Dogecoin on Binance app, here is how you can do it. So to get started with, first of all ensure you have updated your Binance application. Once that is done, launch the application and log in. In order to buy and sell on the Binance app, you will have to verify your account first. In order to do so, you'll have to go to verify your identity and provide in the documents required to log in. Only once the verification is completed, you should be able to buy and sell on Binance app. So to get started with, after verifying, you'll have to go to the wallet section or the portfolio section. After that, you will see different options. Go through the search bar and tap on Buy Cryptocurrency. Once you have clicked on Buy Crypto, from the search bar, you can search DOGE. Thereby, you should also select the Doge pair such as Doge/USDT as the trading pair. And once that is done, it will ask you to verify your account. And after that, you should be able to buy Doge button placed on your order. After that, again you can navigate to your wallets tab or the portfolio section and check the spot wallet to see your Dogecoin balance. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.